The best OnePlus is coming, and OnePlus is about to push the limits this year. So OnePlus is working on two main devices. One is Note 3 coming with Dimensity 8100 CPU, 6.7-inch center hole punch display by Bo and Sony IMX766 main sensor. The second device is the OnePlus 10 Pro Plus coming with SM8475 silicon that is Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus. Now the exciting part is DCI says Qualcomm may now see 8 Gen 1 Plus SLDS May or June. And in July-August we may see flagships from OnePlus, Xiaomi and Moto with the silicon. The best part is again OnePlus heat dissipation and power control is better than 8 Gen 1. The CPU is clocked at 2.99 GHz and a small GPU upgrade. With Dimension 9000 crushing Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, Qualcomm is swirling heat, and that is the reason they plan to launch TSMC-based 8 Gen 1 Plus really soon. This CPU plus Oxygen OS 13 is gonna be a powerful combination. It is official that OnePlus is working with Google for Oxygen OS 13, is gonna get stock Pixel OS experience, which is awesome. The initial schematics posted by Jason shows how the OnePlus 10 Pro Plus may look like. And then we saw the official patent by OnePlus. These schematics shows OnePlus 6 using periscope telephoto lens in the OnePlus 10 Ultra. So you may see a 5x or 10x lossless zoom, something which can give a slight fight to the Samsung S22 Ultra. Some leaks are OnePlus is planning to switch to center hole punch display that is gonna look nice. I hope they use Bionic T lens for fast selfies and a small hole. This is the Nord 2T, and this device simply looks hideous. The Nord 2D is a mid-range device coming with a 6.43-inch display size card, 50-megapixel main, 8-megapixel super wide, and 2-megapixel filler. This live mesh shows OnePlus using two flashes in this device. An exciting part is Yogesh says it is gonna have sandstone finish and 80 watts of insane fast charging. So of course some exciting OnePlus products coming in. I am excited for the 150 watts OnePlus Note 3. And of course the max out flagship, the OnePlus 10 Ultra. This all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and peace out.